What up, everyone? Third Eye Streaming. Another episode again today. Hope you're ready to go. So, again, I know I've been saying, hey, we're going to do a live one. I'm working on it, okay? Trying to get my stuff sorted out here at work. And, just trying to get stuff going, so to speak. So, we are going to get right into it. So again, today, if I'm not mistaken, we actually are going to be leveling up Captain Hook, of course, later on today in the episode, which would be nice. I want to see what Sorcerer's Apprentice Mickey is like being. I mean, I know he's tier 6 star 7, but being he's always the strong one, I'll probably okay, that's what I thought would happen. Knock out Buzzy. A decent amount of damage. Trying to kind of do what I can almost in a short amount of time for him. Dang, they already took out Shan Yu. Good thing he already got his his two special or at least I got his two special abilities in. Good thing when I did, because as we can all see, yeah, it was not going to turn out real well otherwise. So, so close to getting Mickey out of there, but well, maybe we can get rid of Ariel, which we did. Okay. So I know he's got evade on, so I'm not too worried. Wait, he's got what? How's he evade from that punch? Okay, that's weird. That's what I was afraid of. So let's at least do this. We'll taunt here. And he's stunned. Throwing a very key stun right there. Because again, I know Mickey's got, of course, a lot of health. But if I can find a way to... Okay, that's not what I wanted. I really just have to hope I can get stuff to line up. Because this, yeah... Come on. Oh, I'd rather do this. Just to get a little more health, as you can see. I can see, though, like, this is a very strong team. Especially with Mickey being a Sorcerer's Mickey. Or not a Sorcerer's Mickey. That's just his character name. But with being a tier 6 star 7... I mean, at that point, Sorcerer Mickey is basically maxed out almost. So I can definitely see how once you're up to that point, it's definitely there. You know what? Let's give them all 5. They needed 3. Sure. Go for it. Happy to help. Wait, what? Raid complete. Tier 2. Yeah, I already... Wait, what? Well, for anyone watching last night, I already did that once, so I guess I'm getting more? Question mark? Oh well, whatever. Alright, now we're on to 20. So, out of Meridia, Oogie Boogie, and Emperor Zurg, I'm going to assume... Well, maybe you get all 3. You might get all 3 of them in this one. I'm gonna do it over here. See, why is it that, like, maybe it's an ability from Zerg, but I don't think you should be able to hit, like, Sully first and then go after the dude. Like, what? And then do the taunt one? That don't make any sense. Tell me how that makes any sense. Not wasted. Well, I guess I could have used the bird on someone else. Let's do this. And I definitely... Oh, no. Dang it. I didn't want to do that because... again, it's only one... Like, I'd rather use that part of Shawnee's ability when there's another person in the back row. That's why usually I like to use him in the front, where I'll do his... Now it's your turn. And then the what do you see as like a secondary. But... Oh well. I guess at this point, I'm probably just going to save the special abilities of everyone. Okay. Okay. I need to do this differently. Let's... Like, I used to just focus on, like, the main one. But I want to say I did it this way, where I did way more focusing on, like, right here. See, so that's why what do you see is way more important in that realm, strictly for that notion. And if she wants to keep aiming at Big Bad, go for it. I don't even care. We're going to do our best. Usually I would try and save, but I know it's going to take everything just to get her done. So, like, that was worth it. Because I got to face her again. Alright, we're going to do the same thing. Let's go here first. It's a lie. I really should focus on Zerg. Strictly because I need to. But we're also going to bring out all the stops. Because, yeah. Can I get rid of that? Okay. One less turn that the computer gets. So, again, why sometimes it's really important to, like, get rid of them. Especially Zerg, because he's not doing his special ability at the moment. Just to try and, like, okay. And that's the nice part about with, like, Raj still being here, is I am at least, like, now I have, oh, man. Whoops. Dang it. Oh, that was bad, because I wasted away. Sean used 2 abilities on that, instead of, what I should have done is done the, now it's your turn, and then went and, that would have gave me the speed fill, so I could use his other ability before the computer knocked him out. But as I was saying, like with Raj getting to stay after the taunt is up, it's super nice because it gives you the opportunity, especially now with Trigger. I mean, it turns in from like a group of 5 to now 7. So super beneficial that way, if you ask me. Oh, so I bet that gives me the opportunity, if I want, I can fight all of, like, I can use up all 3 today, and then after that, it's like, sorry, you're done. How much time before the next one? 8 hours? Okay. And I did that. Summoners. Get me my coins today. I will say that's the other thing. Like, it's really filled up somewhat fast. Is like I'm almost at 100,000 coins, meaning I can very shortly here upgrade, level up my top players. So okay, now we're gonna make some changes here. So Davey, you're getting substituted for Prince Eric. Let's throw Tink in here. I would throw Captain Sparrow in here, but being as to him being a oh, wait. Okay, so let's take out, who else is it? Oh, Tink is it? Wow, okay. But in that case, we're going to do this. So we'll see how my team's going to get slaughtered. Strictly because I'm trying to keep them trying to use again my earlier ones first. I was afraid of that. Oh, interesting. Yeah, see, this is how you know my team is so bad. Oh, Miss Potts. Like, don't worry, y'all. I definitely assume this is going to happen because they're all level 35s right off the bat, meaning that they level 35 off the bat. Most of these, besides actually the last three that are left, Gaston, Izuma, and Sorcerer Mickey, they're all right at the same, so not a big deal there, but everyone else is like, ooh. But as you can tell, I don't even know if Mickey is a I don't even know if he's leveled if I've leveled up any of his special abilities all that much. Because when I first got him, or like at first I kind of used him, but I didn't use him near, I don't know, near as I usually would, I guess. Maybe is a word to say. I'll take it though. Give me some more coins. Alright. 1,633. So, like, part of me is like, oh, yes. But then I'm also like, well, I don't know how this is going to go. So, yep. I'm going to throw down Raj. I'm going to try and take Hiro Hamada out. Unsuccessfully. So now he's going to do that. And because I know it's going to be an evade, and they're going to throw out taunt. Here comes. Boom. Called it. See how I'd rather use Duke Kaboom as a way to like knock them out, I guess. Like when I say knock them out, get rid of the evade of everyone else. So that's why I'm going to wait. Boom. Okay, so Merida, you're next on the docket there. Hate to say it. Strictly because evaded. What? Ah. Speed bonus. Alright, Mr. Wolf. Good hit, good hit. So I'm going to do this, and then I'll use Duke Kaboom on Izuma, because what that's going to do is it's going to knock all the evades off. Oh, I was thinking of everyone, but let's do this. I will waste Trigger's ability, and I guess I'll use it there too. Let's see here. It's kind of playing out as a very slow game, oddly enough. I'm only going to focus on Jasmine because in a round or two I know Taunt will be back, and I really don't care to deal with that. So, not if I don't have to. So, and I shouldn't, because Shan Yu right here should knock Jasmine out. Oh. Let's take you both out. Well, I guess Ariel, being yours, is flashing, meaning yours is, your time's about to come. Oh, dang, that kind of took away Raj, his turn, but that's fine. Shan Yu should take Ariel out, like that. See, now I wouldn't be surprised if all of a sudden, oh, okay, you know, I respect these people that they're doing this, like they're seeing it the whole way through. They're not going, hey, you know what, we're gonna stop, we're just gonna forfeit. Like, they're just like, no, I get it, I'm wrong, I lost. You know, you lose with dignity. Oh, hey, Bill. I really should do what I normally do and try and get those done. I don't know why I'm really focusing on Jasmine. I should focus on like Kristoff in that situation. But oh well. Hey, got 2 Lumiere tokens, so that's a plus. Grand campaign. Let's please give me like a decent amount of Olaf. Would be great. Because again, we're getting there. Being I cannot buy him in the exchange, so to speak. So, do a couple things. Let's put Tink up to level 10. Are these all... Okay, why not? I'll tier you up. Oh, see, so here, I'll show you. Sorcerers, yes, level special 1. They're all special 1s because I've never been a fan of using Sorcerer Mickey, strictly for the fact that I don't want to play with him, I guess, on here. He's just not a character where I'm like, oh yeah, I like this. This is a good idea. Like, nah, I'm okay with not. Doesn't bother me. Oh, let's see. So that's 4. Okay, do my spell packs. Watch, now I'm going to get another one to like upgrade. And then what that'll do is suck all my coins away again. Maybe not. As you can see, it did not. So now let's see. Captain Hook. Get you up to star 5. Boom. So again, how much does he need of each one? Okay, he won't even, which is fine. I'm really not looking to get him all that far. I'm just trying to, like I said, up my sorcerer's power as a means to just get him, because our summoner score, so I'm 40,000. So I'm getting there. Again, just slowly working on the other ones. Okay, let's see what quests did I have. Complete heroes. Yes, look at that. And I unlocked Maurice. Booyah. How much do I get from him? 510. Okay, look at that. I do like that if I say so myself, which means now I could actually continue on this. Oh, I could get 25 beast. Okay. The game's already suckered me into it. What do I need? Alright, Maurice. I'm not leveling you all the way up by any means, but I'll put you to 15, okay? I'm talking to him like he understands me. We're going to tier you up. Boom. Okay. But I'm not, nope. I'm not going to use other stuff on you, because I don't know if I really will play with them wait, so if he's only at 25, I wonder what I got at the first one. Who do I need next? Miss Potts, Maurice, and Lumiere all at 4+. So now can I use anyone? Heck yeah. But see, the problem is 16, 15. Like this. Oh boy. See, this is where I maybe should have taken like Sully or Jasmine with. Strictly for the fact that no, I don't need that, so I'm not doing that. Strictly for the fact that I need oh boy. Yeah, look at that. Woo. I was talking about selling them just because I may have needed a taunting person, but lo and behold, I did not. It would be great to get the beast, but Miss Potts, Maurice, Lumiere, and Belle. Jeez. So you get 85, 30, 65, 50. See, you'd get them unlocked. The thing is, too, like, I probably got 20 and 5 or 15 and 10, something like that in the first one. So if I need... So 145. So basically I need 95 more. So if you have 30, 95. So if you beat the next two, these other two, the last three would just be like upgrades, so to speak. Well, let's use the last of these. So I'm going to get these taken care of. Boom. And that is that. So again, thanks so much. We're going to do one last sweep. Yeah, so I've got Kristoff, like I said, on Sunday. And then I'll probably start upgrading my top 5 grouping here later on in one of the next upcoming episodes. So thanks so much for tuning in to Third Eye Streaming. We will see you tomorrow.